amount of chamfer foil. Let it cure for 60 seconds, okay, everyone?
Turquoise.
Turquoise, you think?
Either teal or turquoise.
I don't know. Whatever. I was like, I think it's nice color. I like it. So it doesn't matter what it called. I was like, I'm taking it.
Aquamarine.
Aquamarine.
No.
No, aquamarine is more blue though. It's my birthstone aquamarine. Oh no, maybe it's like it's not even emerald. Is that emerald? It's deep enough, it's dark enough to be emerald. Hi Sarisa.
Aqua. There you go.
Aqua, okay. See, this one is a little bit longer. We'll have to take it longer. In the meantime, we have there several nails that we did before, like which is on Wednesday. No, Wednesday yesterday we did like really cool sunny nail. We did this one on Tuesday. And I'm so obsessed with this one. I think we did 5 nails. Hold on, one of my favorites. Where's that at? Oh, yeah. This is my favorite one. 2 days ago, we did this. All right. Let me see. Can you get this one? And I am going to try to get the whole nails. Oh, like aquamarine, you're right, Tammy. Hey, Vicky. Are you just watching live videos or are you painting right now, Vicky? It's really flimsy. I have oil on my finger. So slippery, my fingers. Put cuticle oil on. I think I got it good. Perfect. This is on earlier in the cuticle, which is it doesn't have much. So it's really cool though, because look at that. It doesn't matter what background you have it. Like I would think if you're doing even darker blue, it looks good too because it's have a green, yellow in it. So I have this one yellow, and we did it today. Is with aqua, right? It looks so stunning either way. So I'm gonna do some crystals around that and see. It's like it looks pretty already, but I just always want to do some crystal just in case some of you are really interested in it. Alright, so my Trendy brush. This is really thick density glue gels, which is I'm so obsessed about this because it's gonna hold the crystal. Doesn't matter how small the crystal, flat pack or 3D, it will hold it really nice. And I am going to using, I put it on the sides, the no wipe top coat, and place that on the top right before I am applying the crystals. Somehow I will try to do it on the other side. Okay, open. And I forgot to press send. Just floating on the top. You don't want to drag it too hard, so then it's gonna pull off your condensed glue gels. You want to able to usually we do this one. Looks so colored. But let's see what I should do. I want to pick this colors right there. Should I do neon then? Because the color is so pretty already with the peacock tail.
Too much, otherwise take it over.
Huh? The peacock tail.
Just don't do too many. Like it could overpower your peacock.
I do not think so because peacock's already a lot to handle, so I had to get neon to put it over, right, everyone? I don't know. Was anyone say that? The peacock tail in my hand. So please say yes, Nancy. Just do something that you want to do, because I think a peacock tail, it's already a lot
Hello, ladies.
going on, and that's why we need this to. It's funny. I say, who say that? No, but you can do whatever you would like, okay? It's just an idea that I like to do some bright colors on it because it's such a really pretty colors. Well, you mean designs already, so you basically you don't need anything, just in case you need something. Okay, let me see what can I do with this. I'm gonna go softer tone now using my like super cute rose gold, because we're always using a gold, which is gold. It looks good with this, so. But as we say, we have so many going on here, the bright colors. How everyone doing on Thursday? Everybody hanging there? Oh, it's so beautiful. Put all of this. If you don't want, if like 1% of the clients don't just want to get just crystal only, the neons on, then you can just leave it alone and clear. But if you would like if they want some dressing up on their nails, how usually we have a lot of question like how you can able to place the crystal together. As long as you place them tight close together, usually they are turn out really nice. I just want to get some rose gold. I feel like a rose gold is cute. It's just like tone it down a little bit. I feel like I want one down here. And just smaller one. Maybe the pink one. That's it. Really fun and simple, right, everyone? Just like quick, simple, easy way to doing it. Great. I'm happy with this. I am going to key it for 60 seconds. You can do it on the other ways. You can do diagonal. You can do however way you would like it. All right. And this one looks so cute. Like this one you can do is, I would think This one you can also do like, where's the blue? You should have the blue in there. I would think if you do that one.
There's some Bahama.
No, this one, if you're doing this neon, because it had a little bit of blue hints in it, it's gonna look good as well. But we wanna do that one just for your preference, you know. Oh, nice, Tammy. I'm so glad you went out for a ride with your husband. It's nice. I know it's just like nice getting fresh air. Hi, Lily. Hi, Chantella. How are you, sweetie? Thanks so much for tuning in. Fabulous. This one is great. Let me move this guys over here for a little bit. It looks like a little bit cluttery here. So I am going to using a precision glue. You see, with the smaller crystal, you probably don't have to worry, but if you have the clients that, like me, have a long hair, busy, and it's good to double check. And I usually check it first. And each time if I feel the scratchy and cracks, I usually squeeze just a little bit. But if you, you don't have to do it right before. You're gonna feel it, and then if you feel scratchy, like I'm feeling it right now in some spot, then you're gonna squeeze just a little bit out. You don't need a whole lot. It's like a little go a long way. So cute. It's gonna be cool though. I love doing fun with neon. Great. So it's gonna fill in each time you squeeze just a little bit, it's gonna fill in all the cracks, gap, and the edges. Okay, wrong one. Wrong side. So I'm using the other end of the brush, which is a detail brush. So I'm gonna give it a little swipe. That way it's gonna remove all the excess like glue gels. So after like here, it's gonna look so nice and like much flawless as possible. Cure for 60 seconds.